If we have the expression 5s squared plus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3, then what is the correct answer to this question? Many people, when solving this type of question, go straight to the exponent first, and instead of correctly following the order, they rewrite it as 25 plus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Then the next step they take is adding 25 and 75, so they change it into 100 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. After that, they divide 100 by 5 and get 20 multiplied by 3, which finally give the answer 60. But that answer is actually incorrect. Some other people also try a different wrong method. They still start with the exponent and again rewrite it as 25 plus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Then they multiply 5 and 3 first, thinking multiplication has higher priority than division, so they rewrite it as 25 plus 75 divided by 15. Next, they divide 75 by 15, giving 25 plus 5, which leads to the answer 30. But that is also wrong. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this kind of math breakdown, make sure you like this video and subscribe for more simple tricks like this. Now let's solve it the correct way. To solve this question properly, we use the PEMDAS rule. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. In this expression, we first handle the exponent, so we rewrite it as 25 plus 75 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Now we focus on multiplication and division because they come next in order priority. But remember, multiplication and division have equal importance, so we solve from left to right. First, we divide 75 by 5, which gives 15, so the expression becomes 25 plus 15 multiplied by 3. Next, we multiply 15 by 3, which gives 45, so now we have 25 plus 45. Finally, we add them together and get 70, so the correct answer is 70. Now, let's solve another question together. What is the value of the expression 7 plus open parentheses 14 divided by 7 multiplied by 2 close parentheses multiplied by 2 squared? Many people make mistakes here by jumping straight into operations without following the correct order. Some first divide 14 by 7, then multiply wrongly step by step, and with incorrect answers like 44, without following the correct order. Others multiply first inside the bracket, then proceed in the wrong order, and end up with 11. But both approaches are wrong. To solve it correctly, we again use PEMDAS. First, solve inside the parentheses. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. So it becomes 7 plus open parentheses 2 multiplied by 2 close parentheses multiplied by 2 squared. Next, solve inside the bracket. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. So we now have 7 plus 4 multiplied by 2 squared. Then solve the exponent. 2 squared equals 4, giving 7 plus 4 multiplied by 4. Now multiply. For multiplied by 4 equals 16, so we get 7 plus 16. Finally, add 7 plus 16 equals 23. So the correct answer is 23. Finally, let's solve one last question together. What is 9 minus 5 multiplied by open parentheses 5 minus 9 close parentheses? Many people first subtract 9 minus 5 and get 4, then continue incorrectly. But that is wrong. Correctly, we start inside the parentheses. 5 minus 9 equals negative 4. So the expression becomes 9 minus 5 multiplied by negative 4. Now multiply. 5 multiplied by negative 4 equals negative 20. So we have 9 minus negative 20. Subtracting a negative becomes addition. 9 plus 20 equals 29. So the final answer is 29.